Hi, this is Rita Lacochera giving you a taste of Bali in Uluwatu. You can use this video as a guide for a day tour in Uluwatu. In this video, I will be sharing with you the 5 activities we did in Uluwatu. And before we go further, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. What is your name, sir?
Gerdy.
Gerdy?
Gerdy.
Gerdy.
Yeah, Gerdy.
Okay. So our driver today is Sir Gerdy. And he will tour us. Our tour guide and driver. All in one.
All in one.
Yeah,
And,
like coffee. Like coffee.
Like coffee.
And we'll be friends later.
He will be our tour guide the whole stay in Bali.
So we are here in Luwak Coffee. So our first stop is a visit to Luwak Coffee. Luwak is a cat-like animal in Indonesia. It is also called civet coffee, which is made from the beans of coffee berries, which have been eaten by the Asian palm civet. Hello, good morning. We're good, we're good. So we're now entering the Luwak Coffee.
Hello, welcome.
Hello.
How are you?
We're good. We're excited to see the Luwak.
Sure. So, you just follow me. I'm your guide here.
Okay, okay.
So, welcome in our garden. We have the coffee tree, cinnamon tree, and banana tree.
Okay, that's
Where-
cinnamon.
Yeah. Where are you from?
We're from Philippines.
Alright. So, you just follow me.
All right.
Also, I will show you the animal, luwak or mungus.
You call this Luwak, right?
Yes.
Hello, Luwak. Oh, it's
I
black.
call the luwak or mungus.
Mm-mm. What again, Luwak or?
Luwak or mungus.
Mungus. Mungus.
Yeah. We call mungus in English.
Okay.
In Bali we call luwak.
Luwak.
This is the processing coffee in stomach
Yeah, yeah.
process. This coffee after fermentation.
After fermentation.
Kaya pala mahal ang luwak coffee, labor intensive.
We take the coffee one by one, and then I will show you the two one.
Okay. Okay, so
And then this is the powdered tea. We make it tea from mangosteen skin.
mangosteen.
Yeah, mangosteen skin.
Sa Pilipinas maraming mangustin.
Ginger. It's ginger.
This is the turmeric.
Turmeric,
Yeah,
yes.
yellow.
It's yellow. All right.
And you can smell this.
So do you mix that?
No, we not the mix that because this making tea different, separate. I will give you later.
Okay,
later,
okay.
And then I will like.
One tea at a time.
Ang sarap ng amoy.
Akala ko combination of all. The ginger. Sorry naman,
Ginger
kuya.
And turmeric, we not mix that. Coffee
Okay.
not with that anything else. Like, we just separate, make it the whole tea. This.
Okay.
Oh. And
Opo,
Rosella
gets ko na
also.
kuya.
What is that?
Rosella and then lemongrass.
The lemon.
Yeah. Also the lemongrass, ginger and turmeric, we make it then for the spicy in the food. Like it's not only for the tea.
Okay.
But we use also for the food.
Okay.
And then
So ayan, field trip pala ang peg ng visit sa Luwak Coffee.
we
Without
just
machine.
Use, yeah, we just use
So that-
the manual by hand.
By hand, this is how you roast it.
Yes, we roast it around 45 minutes. roasting.
45 minutes.
Yes. And then after this is grinding.
Okay. So,
Matagal talaga ang proseso. Kasi lahat ay mano-mano, walang
all
machine.
here are actually grinded by manually.
By manual.
Not machine.
Yes, not machine. All by hand. long process. Yeah. Lot of
Stages.
yeah, this tomatoes. This is after roasting. You can smell this. This is already for the grounded.
I like the smell.
Sarap. Parang bigas.
Then after roasting, we ground it like that,
Okay.
like this. And then after this, yeah, spit out. Yeah.
Okay.
Shit.
You separate
Yeah.
the
Only
fine.
the powder, the fine, the powder.
Yeah.
Not with the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until 10, 11 to 15. In the bottom already have number and same in the weight. And just try this. You can already try because this is the way.
Okay.
This is how to
Ang saya-saya.
taste the water. And also,
Okay, so nandito na tayo sa judgmental part. Husgahan natin kung ano pinakamasarap.
50,000. Can we have one?
only
Yes.
one.
Because I need to taste it first.
You can later also you can buy it. So,
Okay.
O narinig nyo yun, 50,000, yung isang cup ng luwak coffee.
This is cream.
Walang lagyan. Wala.
So alam niyo naman na ako ay isang coffee lover. Tingnan natin kung ano ba ang lasa ng luwak coffee.
Oh my God, this is so strong.
Hindi ko siya
I like this. Bali coffee is the best for me.
Ayan, si Daddy A, lahat ng inayawan ng mga bata. Tinitikman niya. Okay, so next is dadalhin kanila sa store para bumili. Kumuha kami ng isang mango chocolate and that is our way to support the locals in Indonesia. Gora na tayo sa next activity natin, Uluwatu Temple. So yung nakikita nyo ngayon, sinusuot ng mga visitors ay sarong and the shawl or scarf. That is a required dress code if you are wearing a short skirt, just like in my case. And then, pag mahaba naman ng skirt mo, ang gagamitin mo lang ay yung shawl that is tied at the waist right outside the sarong. So, my daughter is wearing a long skirt. Yun lang ang kanyang gagamitin. Okay, so let's go. Pagpasok mo, meron ka pang babayaran na 50,000 rupiah. So, sa apat, we paid 200,000. Why did we choose Uluwatu Temple of all temples in Bali? This temple is one of the most popular spots if you want to embark on a cultural journey and have a taste of Balinese culture. The temple is perched atop a steep cliff approximately 70 meters above the crashing ocean below. Have the chance to see the sunset. It is one of the most beautiful because of its background. In the evening, the Balinese Kachak and fire dance are performed here at an amphitheater nearby. The Balinese Hindus believe that the powers of the Hindu Trinity, Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva, merge here. Because of that, the Uluwatu Temple was built a place of worship of Shiva Rudra, the Balinese Hindu deity of all elements and aspects of life in the universe. And how about the monkeys? The monkeys are believed to guard the temple against bad influences. Bawal pala ang may period, so hindi na kami umakit doon sa temple. Pumasok doon sa loob, bawal kasi. Alright, so in this part, dito lang ako nakapag-video na medyo maluwag dahil takot kami makuha ng mga monkeys ang gamit namin, especially yung mga cameras. So, nung nalaman namin wala nang masyadong monkeys, dito na kami pwedeng makapag-video. Kanina pala, sayang kasi muntik nang Oh, he failed. Tuwang-tuwa sila. Yan ang aming cameraman.
Tumatawid sila dito.
So that concludes our visit to Uluwatu Temple. Diyan na pa magtsaka niyo to, meron na. Pakarot ako nila. Saan pa nga ba? Bejana. Dito sa Bejana Restaurant.
Sabi ko na nga ba seafood talaga yun. Alam mo seafood.
Sige, borlog pa more. Sana all. Maraming borlog. Ayan, enjoy natin ng view guys. Nag-effort ako dyan. Nilabas ko ang aking Insta para makuha natin ng breathtaking view papunta sa Melasti Beach. Hello, Melasti! Ang Uluwatu ay isang village na hindi pa masyadong pinupuntahan ng mga turista. I did not have any idea that we will be able to visit Melasti Beach because I have a different itinerary. And then sabi ni Gertie, para mas strategic yung aming activity, makapag-accomplish kami ng 5 activities, it's better to visit Melasti Beach, and then after which we will proceed to Kechak Dance. Ayan, umupo muna kami, tinitigan muna namin ang beach dahil napakaganda, hindi mo akalain na right in front of your eyes, ito yung makikita mo. Wow! Just so wow! Ang sabi ni Gertie, maganda talaga daw dito dahil hindi siya dinudumog ng mga turista. And sure enough, parang kami lang yung naliligo. Somewhere there sa kalayuan, may mga white foreigners nagsising din and then nagsasunbathing. So, ayun, sumugod na rin kami. Ayan, takbo muna tayo. Enjoy natin ang beach, guys. Malamig yung tubig at hindi talaga. And then yung araw, hindi siya masakit sa balat. But careful guys ha, kailangan maglagay pa rin tayo ng sunscreen. Uy, may dumaan na pogi. Nagpapapansin. Feel na feel ang pagiging turista. Hello! So ito pala yung sinasabi ni Gertie na medyo dangerous daw ang mag-swimming dito dahil napakalakas ng alon. The place is actually for surfing. Ang surfing sa Uluwatu ay world class, my dear. So gusto ko pa sana mag-stay, kaso palakas ng alon. So mga after few minutes, umahan na kami. And then yung mga anak ko, andun sila, may sarili silang agenda, picture. OMG talaga dahil madali lang kami doon sa Melasti Beach. Ito na yung next option namin. Itong si Girlie talaga kung ano-anong inintroduce sa amin eh. Alam niyo lang ang feeling ko dyan. Natatawa ako na takot ng nginig ng nginig. Gustong gusto ko nang bumaba.
Bilis na lang? Bilis so nice.
I was trying to capture yung jet ski doon. Umiikot-ikot lang. Mamaya may pag-jet ski pa kami. Paano na kaya ito? Dati na kami yung sinabihan ng mga staff na medyo malakas ang hangin. Kaya dadahan-dahanin lang daw. Sanay naman ako sa mga extreme rides. Ewan ko bakit kabado ako dito sa parasailing na to. This is our first time doing parasailing and look, sa Bali pa naman siya ginawa. Oh Lord, wala namang nangyaring kabirya. Mga ano lang, intrusive thoughts. Yan, medyo nakapag-relax na ako.
Ito ang training.
Si Harvey, kunwari, hindi kinakabahan, pero kinakabahan din yan.
Going down?
Ay, finally, natapos din. Ayun, lumipad na rin yung 3 million. Dito sa Bali, yung 3 million, yung equivalent niyan ay 10K. So, feel na feel ko pagiging milyonaryo ko dito. Yung nga lang, gano yung 3 million ko after a few minutes. Sigaw-sigaw mo lang. Yan o. Ang importante, safe pa rin tayo after so many adventures. So guys, this is just our second day. So meron pa tayong 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th days. Abangan ng aming ATV rides. So the question is Uluwatu worth going to? Of course, definitely. Maraming pwedeng gawin sa Uluwatu. Actually, world-class po ang kanilang surfing at yung richness ng culture, yung natural beauty. At ang pinaka nagustuhan ko dito ay walang masyadong tourist compare sa Ubud at doon sa Seminyak. Next is the tribal dance. The Kechak is a unique type of Balinese dance because of its performance. It's accompanied only by a chorus with the sound chak 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 chak. The story of Titi Situ Banda was one of the many stories of Ramayana. It has 8 scenes, so medyo mahaba itong panonoodin ninyo, but I tell you, guaranteed na masaya, ma-appreciate niyo siya. Nasa dulo na kami ng scenes at mukhang na-spot mukhang natipuhan yata si Shanshan ni Monkey. Ayan, binigyan siya ng flower of all girls. Siya yung napili. So, meron kaming spotlight moment dito sa Kechak dance. Ay! Ayan, binigyan siya ng spotlight. Kinikilig naman ng lola mo. Ateng. So, yun yung aming pinaka-highlight dito sa K-Check Dance. So,
Oh my God.
dyan na po nagtatapos ang aming araw sa Uluwatu. At ang aming dinner ay sa Betari Bali Seafood. This is highly recommended. Napakasarap po ng kanilang mga seafood dito. Ayan. So, dito ko po nalasahan yung masarap na pagkakaluto ng scallop. And so far, after 2 nights, ito na yung masarap na chicken na natikman namin, yung Balinese chicken. Bye for now, guys. Abangan ng mga susunod na video. Our ATV, visit to the Bird Park, the Bali Swing, and many, many more.